So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to find out variance using Power BI DAX. So let's move on to the Power BI DAX first. And over here, I'm going to use online retail dataset. It has mainly four columns: order date, category, profit, and sales. Now let's say we want to find out the variance for my sales column. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, go to report pane, and inside home tab we have an option known as new measure. So just select this, and over here let's give it a name as variance sales is equal to, and we are going to use var.p and var.s functions. So var.p calculates variance based on the entire population, and var.s calculates variance based on the sample. So over here we are going to use the entire population. That's why I'm going to use var.p function, and inside this just pass my sales column and just hit enter. And as you guys can see, we have successfully created a new measure with the name var sales. This is basically the variance of my sales column. So just select this and select a card. So as you guys can see, this is the variance, that is 60.65K is the variance of my sales column. So in this way, we can find out variance using Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.